2019, and this is the Tello by Ryze. Let's get into it. What's up everybody? Welcome to Drone Mania. I'm very excited with everything that I just received. I paid for everything, just so that everybody knows. Let's dive right into it. So my friends, this is everything I received upon purchasing this. I had to purchase it used. It's still in mint condition. The reason that is because things in Israel are extremely expensive. I paid $80 for this used. If this was purchased brand new, it would be over the $120, $140 mark. So with that being said, this is what I received. I received the Tello drone, so beautiful, by Ryze. I received an extra battery. It came with the propellers, 3 or 4 I'm seeing here, with propeller removal. And what's funny in Israel, or any other country for that matter, is it's cool to see items received in other language, foreign languages. As in Israel, everything here is written in Hebrew. So that is pretty interesting. I just wanted to tell you guys that. This is the box. Empty box, of course, because I removed the baby out. And it's just showing you here that it's works with iMovie. There's an app for App Store. There's also an app for Google Play. You have to be 14 plus. And it's the Tello drone. About the age, I don't know, because it is a toy drone, but I don't know. So it's 2019. Why did I buy this drone in 2019 when there's so many other things out there? New tech from China, etc. You know, so many different things. Well, to be totally honest, I actually fell in love with the design. How it looks, how tiny, how cute it looks. How you can just remove so easy, and there's like so many different types, colors, even pictures that you can change. Really interesting things. And as well, how the quality is for this. I believe, in my opinion, this is one of the best toy graded drones in the market of 2019. I'm gonna put this to the test with other future drones that I will see and purchase to do a comparison. But for now that I have this, in my opinion, this I think is the best drone. Now, sure, it has its flaws and its selling points. So that's why we're gonna be right now going and doing minor testing to see how well it does perform, how well its video quality, how well its stabilization is, because this thing was marked as having an incredible EIS, electronic image stabilization, or stabilizer. So we're gonna go outside and see it. It looks like it's nice weather outside, not rain and not windy, etc. So it's the perfect time. So let's go put it to the test and do a minor flight and review. More in-depth review will be in time once I really get the feel of this. So first impressions, let's find out. Okay people, we're here at the park. There is some winds, at times some gusts of winds as well. But let's see if we can, let's try to make the best of it. So let's start by saying how convenient it is just to go outside and fly this. You just take this little tiny drone with you, and you take your cell phone, smartphone, the iDevice, and you're ready to go. Now, the way it works to start up this bad boy is, first, you just press this button one time and the lights turn on, that it's ready to bind. Go into your phone, go to Wi-Fi, useless. Look at that. Look at that. Anyways, again. There you go. Go to Wi-Fi. Right away, you are prompted to connect with Tello. Then you go into the app. Where is the app? Where is the app? Connect to it. Wait for it to load. I like the interface of the app when it goes into it. It's just amazing. And we're right here. Let's put the drone aside and let's do with the functions right away. Here you have your up and down, meaning takeoff and landing. Here you have your, I forgot what that is. Oh yeah, your flight modes, all your different flight modes. We'll go on a more in-depth video. So remember to be subscribed to the channel, my friends, so you do not miss the update in-depth view of this drone. Then you have your settings for, you know, flight speed, blah, 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 VR, controller, Wi-Fi. You can also connect the Bluetooth, any Bluetooth for that matter. Shows the amount of battery, which is not that much, but lucky I have a spare. Then it shows your Wi-Fi connection, play your video. What is this? Oh yeah, okay, that's for recording. And then if you press this or something, it'll change it to camera mode. And then you have your right stick, so to speak, your right stick, which is touch here, and your left stick, meaning your throttle. So let's do it. I hope everything is in the shot. Let's power up this bad boy. Gonna start filming from the beginning so you guys get at least a view of how it is. Just took a camera shot, don't want that. Now we're ready to fly. Power them up. Well, that's already the first crash. Hit the pole right away. Let's see how the motors do. If they need any adjustments or recalibration, or if it still holds itself perfectly. There is very strong winds, people, like you've seen before. Look how it's holding itself with all the wind. That is freaking impressive. You can see how it's on an angle because the winds are coming from the right side, just pushing it, but it's still holding its position. I can't freaking believe this, people. Remember, this is a toy grade drone with no GPS embedded, so it should be moving around, but it is a beast how it's holding itself. A bonus right there. Extremely impressed. I placed it in more higher speed, so I'll have more power against the winds. That is just cool, man. That is cool. I am not a fan at all on drones powered by just cell phones because they are terrible, extremely terrible. But because this drone is specially designed for the cell phone and only with the cell phone, that's why I accept it, because as you guys can see, it's doing a heck of a job. So it just makes the flight a lot more easier. It does accept any type of remote controlled Bluetooth controllers. So that's a bonus with it as well, but I can see it's not something that's very needed as it just flies wonderfully. I love doing funnels with this. It's just so much fun, and I can't believe all this is just with the cell phone. Boom! What a smack! Oh, and it landed perfectly, people. Okay, I think that just screwed up everything. Yeah, it just took it right out of its. Oh, the battery popped out. That was a mad smack. There you go. It's back. Have to reconnect everything, but that is freaking cool. All right, people, we're back online. Now, what I love about this drone, a first impression that I just noticed real quick right now is, wow, look at the winds, people. Crazy winds, and look how it's just holding itself. That is amazing. I'm here in the shade, so the winds are even stronger, surrounded by trees, as you can see, and it's holding itself. Okay, I am getting a message though. Vision positioning may fail in high winds. Fly in windless conditions is recommended. Okay, yeah. So I'm gonna stop and I'm not gonna fly. Yeah, right. What the hell's the point of having a drone if you can't fly it and destroy it? So what I'm saying is that most toy grade drones, remember people, this is a toy grade drone. Uh-oh, I didn't record, so there's recording again. Back with the recording. So what I'm talking about here with the situation of toy grade drones is usually after it receives a smack or a bang or a crash, the motors are all screwed up, you have to recalibrate it, etc. But I'm noticing not with this one. This one is, it crashes, it lands, you just power it back on and it's perfect. And you know what? That is just a major bonus. It's a very good thing. It just shows how good of high quality this drone offers. Okay, now I'm gonna come sit here in my favorite sunless side and do a nice test of how it looks. Okay, first impressions from actually seeing it fly the FPV style is that there's a lot of lagging here, so you're not receiving a fluid flight view in FPV, and that is something that kind of sucks. I don't know why it's like that. I really think that Tello should see this immediately and fix it if they care about their customers. And I'm sure they can make an update that will solve this issue. It shows the height. I'm at 1.4 meters. It's holding it even with the winds, etc. So that's very good, still holding it. Let's see its speed. Turn it around. Not so high up. Okay, that's about right, and let's just see its speed. It went top at 4.8 meters a second. What a beautiful thing. I love this drone, man. And you know what, frankly, okay, if we're being honest here and we're talking about somebody purchasing this drone because of its features as well, its supposed FPV, I will say for FPV it is crap and it's not worth the price at all. People keep that in mind. This is a straightforward, honest video. If you're thinking for FPV flight to record and have it, it's crap. From what I'm seeing, or from what you guys are gonna see, removing the battery is just a breeze. One hand removal. So simple. That is a real huge selling point and positive pro for me. That's a major pro right there. Removing, inserting, one-handed. I've never seen a drone so simple like that. This was just, like I said, a real quick but turned out to be quite long video. That just shows how fun it is with this Tello drone. So first impressions, it's not bad, it's really good. The price tag of $100, I don't really know so well. Gonna have to see other newer 2019 toy grade drones and really do a comparison to be able to honestly give an opinion. Right now I can say, yeah, it's not worth it, but it won't be fair because I need to see other drones. So in the meantime, we will still continue with more updates of this drone till I receive from what I've ordered online, and then we will do a comparison to really do and to really know and see how well this drone really is, if it is worth that 100 price tag. So anyways, my friends, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you like this video. Now you know really well first impressions. Tello drone by Ryze, powered by Intel, and I think functionality and software is supposed with DJI, if I'm not mistaken. So I hope you like it. Till next time, be safe, take care, have fun. This is the Tello drone, and peace out, people. Bam!